Hello everybody, welcome to Pepper Tuesday update number 4 I believe we're on. Yesterday I did a little bit of transplanting, and as you can see the ones that I did all took, which is great. I wasn't sure if it was going to get too cold for them or if the soil that I was using was too cold because it was sitting outside. I tried to let it warm up inside for a minute, but didn't want to wait all day. My decimators are looking really pretty. Got several things here. Again, I just want to point out that beautiful little bonsai peach coaster that's turning a year old this spring. And that's as tall as it's gotten so far. Keeping alive this poinsettia. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try to work on that. Look at this basil. I planted this Thai basil here just about maybe 2 weeks ago, and this is maybe a month old now, and this was the one that I had from last year that's been topped. They're drooping a little bit. I need to get them some water. And these guys here are doing good, putting out some nice vegetation. I have 3 sitting up on top of this now to get them a little closer to this light. Still waiting on my Naga Viper and my Bastard and my Black Phantoms to come up yet. It ain't even been 2 weeks, so I'm not stressing any of that. They'll come up in time. Propagate's looking good. Taking care of my aphid problem for the most part. I get 1 or 2 here and there, so I still gotta find the source. I think they were in the dirt of one of these pots here, because I keep finding them around the bases of each one of these mostly. So I might just take those 4 off and set them in a different place. The spread on that one. I'm really looking forward to this spring and seeing these guys all really getting some bigger pots and start growing out like they should. Anyways, that's it for Pepper Tuesday update number 4. I hope you all have a wonderful day and happy gardening.